In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export customer email addresses in QuickBooks Online. If you need a clean list of your customers' email addresses for a newsletter, a follow-up campaign, or a simple backup, QuickBooks Online can create it for you in just a few clicks. Start by opening QuickBooks Online in your web browser and signing in to your company. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the top right for the Settings menu. This is the small gear icon. Click that to open your account and tools options. From the Settings menu, choose Export Data. This takes you to the export area where you control what information you want to pull out of QuickBooks. You may see multiple sections here. That's normal. You're going to work specifically with your lists, not your full reports. On the Export Data page, switch to the Lists tab. Lists include things like customers, vendors, products and services, and your chart of accounts. Because we only want customer emails, you'll want to keep this export as focused as possible. Turn off every list except customers. If other categories are selected, toggle them off so customers is the only one enabled. Keeping the export limited to customers will make your spreadsheet smaller, cleaner, and faster to work with. With customers selected, you're ready to generate the file. Click Export to Excel. QuickBooks will produce a spreadsheet and download it to your computer. Open that file and you'll see a table with your customer details. Look for the email column. That's where the addresses live. If you only need the emails, you can copy that column into a new sheet or filter the list to show only rows that have an email address. This is especially helpful if some records are missing emails and you want to target only complete entries. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Save the file with a clear name and date so you can track versions over time. Store it securely, especially if it contains personal information, and share it only with people who need access. If you plan to import these emails into a marketing tool, make sure your customers have given appropriate consent and that you comply with your organization's privacy policies. That's it. By navigating to the Settings gear, choosing Export Data, switching to the Lists tab, selecting Only Customers, and exporting to Excel, you'll have a reliable list of customer email addresses ready to use. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this walkthrough if you need a quick refresher.